for 130 for 923. Here's the aftermarket cat. You can see the cal converter material in there, the honeycomb right there. This is probably like a $250 cat, something like that, 300. This is like $800 from Magnaflow. 0820. There's the part number 600. So we bought this thing, I don't know when the shipping process, but the cal converters start disintegrating and you hear a clink, 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 clink. We had to take it out and like get rid of the honeycomb because it's breaking down more and more. It's probably the muffler now. So now this is our aftermarket cat. So this is the rear gasket. That's the front gasket, but this kit only gives me the one for the rear, or did I take it out? But anyways, I put this thing in and then I noticed that looks like I can fit one of these things on there. So I'm gonna put that one and this one. I don't know if that's a good idea or not. I don't know if it's one or the other.
This is gonna give you a gap. Check there. Fine. Gasket.
Huh?
Do they have two gaskets? This is one. This is the other side. Smaller one.
Yeah.
Let's look at the other side.
This doesn't have a place for it. So the question is, am I going to use one gasket or double it up?
Maybe that's why. Maybe this is the gasket for this side instead of this.
So maybe save this for another car.
Yeah.
And just use that only.
Use this one.
And then how's that look like on the other side?
This has a glue.
Take this one out. Difficult, huh? So it's just gonna have to be smudged in there. So now
So
which
this
side
is
is
sit in, and
but you see there's like a flat side? There's a flat
side and the round side.
Yeah, so what side do we want where? Should we have the flat side on this side? Because this looks pretty flat over here. And the
Wouldn't you want the flat there?
flat side on this side?
Yeah, because that's what you want to see. This is already
All right.
so it goes like
So
this.
put the flat side over on this side.
Uh-huh.
All right, let's give it a try. If there's an exhaust.
I feel it's just bad machining. You know, there's no flat side.
All right.
Okay.
So that's what we're gonna do it then.
All right.
And then get their bolts ready. How about our washers? Our washers fit? Yep. So
That's